Today let us learn sets. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Set is one of 4 built-in data types in Python used to store collections of data. The other 3 are list, tuple, and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. A set can be defined as a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed, and note that set items are unchangeable, but you can remove items and add new items. Let us create a set called fruits. Sets are written with curly brackets, inside which we can mention each item separated by commas. Now let us print out fruits. The output would be a set, but just have a look at the order of elements in the output. We can see the order is not same as we given. Let us try printing output one more time. This time output order has changed again. Now it's not like previous output, but it's like the order we entered. This is because we cannot predict the order of sets. Sets are unordered means that the items in a set do not have a defined order. Set items can appear in a different order every time you use them, and cannot be referred to by index or key. This is the first characteristics of set items. Secondly, we can say set items are unchangeable, meaning that we cannot change the items after the set has been created. But you can remove items and add new items. Also, we cannot have duplicate items in the tuple. Let us have a look into that. Sets cannot have 2 items with the same value. If duplicate value occurred, it will ignore the duplicate element. Here we have fruit set and in which we can mention apple, mango, orange, and we can write apple one more time. Here apple came twice. Let us try printing out fruits and see the output. In the output Python ignored duplicate. And we have only 3 items in it. Also note that the values true and 1 are considered the same value in sets, and are treated as duplicates. Let us try in another example. Here, I have a set called my set and in which I have apple, orange, mango, true, and 1. As we said, the output must ignore duplicate considering 1 and true are same. Let us see the output. Here as we said, the output contains only 5 elements. It ignore 1 considering true and 1 are same. In the same way, Python set considering Boolean false and 0 are same. Let us see an example. Here our set called second set hold a few values, and in which we can mention both false and 0, and let us see the output. Here in the output as we said Python set ignored false as it is a duplicate. Moving on, let us see how to get length of a set. To determine how many items a set has, we can use the length function, which gives us the number of items in a set. Here we have a set in which we have 3 items. Now printing out length of fruits, we will get the output 3. As we have already seen length, function and list and tuple, hope this short explanation is enough for now. Now let us see what data type a set item can be. If you watched my list tutorial or tuple tutorial, then you may feel it's a repeated topic. But if you are new to this session, you need to understood this, so I should cover this. So first let us take a set of string data type. Further a set of numerical data type. And a set of Boolean data type. Now let us take a set called set all, which contains string, numerical, and Boolean data types mixed. Now let us try printing set 1, set 2, set 3, and set all. What do you think, will it successfully give us output for all these? Answer is yes, so set can have any data type. Now let us learn type method, which is used to find the data type. What is the data type of a set? Let us check this with an example. Now here we have a set of fruits. Let us check the type by using a type method. Inside the parentheses, mention the set which need to check. And W got the output that it's a class set. Moving on, let us see how can we use set constructor to create a set. It is also possible to use the set constructor to make a set. We have already learned tuple constructor and list constructor. Let us now create a set using set constructor, for which use set keyword and note the double round brackets. Inside the inner parentheses, mention the items. Now printing out new set will give a set. So this is how we use set constructor to make a set. In this session, we have learned much more about set and hope this is enough for today's session. Thank you so much for watching. We will be having a few more sessions for sets. And I am sure if you are watching my complete playlist,